Our front yard used to be a green lawn. With almost every year of drought in California, we decided to make a succulent landscape that is easier to care for and save us water. In 2022, our household was in the top 20% of water savers, thanks to my succulents. They don't require too much water compared to green grass. Hello guys, this is Forlitz Arts and Architecture and welcome to my channel. Today is a very sunny day as you can see. Hi, this is Forlitz Sky and welcome to my channel, The Arts and Architecture. My goal in this channel is to share anything related to arts and architecture. Recently, I haven't focused so much on succulents gardening because for me, growing succulent is an art. It is enduring and timeless love. Succulents symbolize enduring and timeless love, for they are tenacious plants that store water in their thick leaves and stem. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, click the like, share, and leave us a comment. In today's video, we will discuss why succulents are so special while I reveal my succulent landscape condition after planting them in the front yard last year. What makes succulents so special? Succulents are durable and versatile for many reasons. They can thrive in a variety of climates. Even the harshest conditions do not harm them. They live without daily watering, and whether you put them indoors or outdoors, they are still sure to thrive. Like my succulents, they have thrived after severe rains and cold weather for the last 3 months. So all I need to do is clean, trim, and reset them. Taking care of plants has never been easier. Succulents are known for being the easiest plant to take care of. If you want a low-maintenance plant and plant that can survive through even the last capable gardeners, a succulent is a plant for you. Additionally, with social media and YouTube influencers, there are many quick and easy tips to grow and expand your succulent garden. Our front yard used to be a green lawn. With almost every year of drought in California, we decided to make a succulent landscape that is easier to care for and save us water. In 2022, our household was in the top 20% of water savers, thanks to my succulents. They don't require too much water compared to green grass. Succulents are so easy to love. So I asked myself, how do I become a part of the succulent culture? The answer is simple because they are absolutely adorable to look at. They are arts in their own way, an easy hobby to participate in, and give me mindfulness. Succulents are one of the easiest plants to care for and require minimal effort to keep alive. Not only do they stay alive easily, but they also thrive and grow before your very eyes. And there you have it guys, this is my front yard and there's a lot of things for me to do this year. But I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, you can see more in my gardening playlist. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.